I'm just sitting here, I'm like, ding! What the fuck was that? Tell RDK that when I get my Wii and I played online for more than like 2 days, then I want to play him again after I get adjusted to the
Alright.
Oh, yeah, this is recording. Never mind. He probably knows.
I'm just going to record that, rip that soundbite and send it to him.
Uh-oh, I think he's a little upset. This ought to be interesting.
Could it be the gayest match ever played?
What? Did you
teleport.
just see that?
Yeah, it's a teleport. Have you played Wolf before?
Yeah. No, see, it's
Edge
not
tricks.
like... See, I've never done that before.
Dude, he's got so many edge tricks. You can teleport. You can do the side B straight through the stage.
Oh, see, I've never done that before. I've like played around with Wolf, but I've never like done
Wolf?
edge tricks.
Dude, I was playing and I found all this shit. I'm just like, dude, this is too good to be true.
So is Wolf
Oh, see,
considered
no.
like, one of the best players now?
Nobody
think so.
tells me anything.
That plus auto canceling, he's like the best.
Nice, that was good.
I don't know why he didn't jump. He definitely had another jump.
Oh man, that was weak.
I'm losing circulation in my arm.
Is that how Wolf, like, is Wolf just, like, automatically do that where he can just get pretty much directly behind you? Because, like, I was pretty sure I was far enough away where if he rolled towards me, I could grab him, and he would end up either in the middle of me or behind me every time. Or is he just, Wolf has a far-ass roll?
Here's the far ass roll.
Man, fuck him. I personally, I think RDK's Kirby is better than his Wolf.
Huh. Oof. The wall jump. Cool. Yeah. He's gonna lose because he tripped.
Keep going, Rizzo.
Fuck out of here.
I remember I wanted to use Wolf as my man. I just don't like his tricks.
Oh my god! Alright. Alright.
I told you he's...
Let me think. Do I want to stay away?